Hi everyone, here we've got Poco F3 and let me share with you how to manage Google account in this device. So firstly, how to add it and then how to remove. So firstly, we have to enter the settings, and now let's scroll down in order to find the account section. As you can see on the second position, we've got actually whole Google section, and you can add the account using it, but I personally prefer to do it using accounts and sync. So let's tap on it and tap on add account. We have to choose Google, obviously. Make sure that you've got the internet connection because it is required, and from this step we can either create a new account if you do not have your own yet, or simply type your email or phone. So let me do this. Okay, let's tap on next. Now we have to enter the password, so let me do this out of the screen. Okay, let's tap on next. Here we've got Google Terms of Service and Privacy Policy, so of course you can read it. Just tap on it and here you will receive all the info you want to. Just tap on I agree after reading. Here we've got the backup and storage info, so let's tap on accept simply. And after getting back, we can see that we just successfully added our Google account to this device. So right now we can easily remove it if you want to. Just tap on Google, on the account you would like to remove, and tap on more icon. Tap on remove account and remove account again. As you can see, it immediately disappears, so it means that we just successfully removed it. So actually that's all. This is how to manage Google account in your Poco F3. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.